are. There we are.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm uh I'm in shock. $900 for coconuts?
I know. We just got to get it done at
I
this
know.
point.
I know.
But
I
yeah,
know.
it's their money. It's their money. At this point, I'd rather do it and we have
No,
something than
I know.
nothing.
I know. It's just like crazy.
I know. I know. And trust me, because I work with them all the time on other things, and they won't spend money on, it's like I beg them
Yeah.
for things that make sense, and
Yeah,
they
I
don't
think
make
I
sense.
think that whoever told them to include her, they're saying just spend the money. I think
Yeah.
everyone's just fed up, actually.
Seriously.
Yeah.
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 All right. That's fine.
But I'm gonna take care of. I'm running out now to the car, but later tonight I'll send Morgan the credit card form, and we'll at least get that taken care of. That's more important
Yeah.
than the furniture and stuff.
Yeah. I'm just okay, and then you'll just get reimbursed by them.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay.
We usually do it for events. That's normal for us. That's
Yeah.
not.
Yeah.
It's all this other stuff that's a little weird. Some of the
Yeah.
things we
And
do
it's
is a little crazy.
interesting because I saw Laura's email saying I need stuff showing you have a legit business.
Well, she needs it because they're not set up as a vendor. We're already set up as their agency, couple
Right.
of reasons every month. So we're
Yeah.
still finishing stuff. That's
Yeah.
why Bernard adds just we can just pay for it because it's easier for him to
Seems
cut a
kind of
paycheck
risky to
or
do
Yeah.
this in
so.
Yeah, no, I hear you. I hear you. All right.
marker,
So I think
but
everything got accomplished then
at least
today.
Yeah,
And
now I'm doing
thank you so
things
much,
right.
Robin.
yeah,
I
I
appreciate
did
it.
the.
I know it's been frustrating.
Yeah, I like.
Just hope I
Well,
can get this
we'll
done
go
before
out
my
to eat
battery
Thursday
dies.
night when you get there, if it's not too, or Friday or whatever.
Yeah, yeah. If
Um,
you're not too busy, you're going to be exhausted because I know you've got another event before. You were the second one. So.
no, you're the first event.
Oh, this is the first.
You're the
Oh,
Mm.
you're the
okay.
main event. Yeah, this is the main event, and it's funny because yes, so I found out this morning, and I forgot to even mention it. So our magazine was in New York Post and the New York Times yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
Everybody's going to be coming out. It's good.
yeah, yeah. Well, we've been sold out for like a month.
Amazing.
Yeah, my boss makes a fortune. If you ever wanna team up and produce something, I could do that, like 1, 2, 3. So,
I'll do the scoop for
no,
sure.
no, no, I've done it so many years. This is like,
Yeah.
it's just, normally I work with people that know what they're doing. That's the thing.
Yeah.
So, all right.
All right. Well, thanks, Robin. I'll keep
Okay,
you in the loop if there's any other things.
okay. And I sent her everything she needs to know about everything, so,
Nice.
yeah.
Sounds
But
good.
I did remove Bridgehampton in from the whole thing.
Thanks.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I think they're sold out anyway. That place sells out quick. So,
There we
yeah.
go.
All
That's how
right.
you draw
Have a good
Gekkomon from
night.
Digimon
Okay,
Beatbreak.
bye. Bye.
Yeah, this is the version of Gekkomon from the new show that's been released. And I've been drawing new Digimon for my paintings ever since. You can find more on Twitter. See you soon.